Welcome to our school, Santa Maria.
Wake up to the sunrise, feel the ocean's breeze. From Batons down to Davao, adventure's what you'll see. Step on white sands in Boracay, or chase the clouds in Sagada sky. Colors of the islands calling out to you, there's magic in the view. Tarana, Pilipinas, we're solid dream destinations. Fly high where dreams begin. From the hills of Banao to Siagas waves. Hey, every smile feels like home again. Tarana, Pilipinas.
Your future begins with the right education. Here at the Santa Maria National High School, every Marian is inspired to learn, lead, and succeed. Be part of a community where dreams become achievements. Kami mga Marians ay kilalang bilang masunurin at matulungin. Ay, sorry.
Ito ang mga iba't ibang lugar na makikita mo sa aming paaralan.
Welcome to the library, where knowledge begins. You can read, learn, and explore new things every day.
Welcome to the court, a place where teamwork, discipline, and respect are developed through games and physical activities.
Welcome to our school canteen, where students can enjoy safe, nutritious, and affordable food.
This is our laboratory, where students learn through experiments, discovery, and hands-on activities, while practicing safety and responsibility.
Alam niyo ba na may garden din ang Santa Maria? Welcome to Santa Maria's Mini Garden. Siyempre, hindi lang magagandang gusali ang makikita mo dito sa Santa Maria, pero magaganda at pogi rin na makikita. Hoy! Eme lang!
事情只求你爱 For you For you 给你全部温柔
Mga bawal na gawin dito sa loob ng aming paaralan. ulit tayo. Yan na. So, nagawa mo na yung assignment natin.
Sa loob ng matagal na panahon namin dito sa Santa Maria, maraming alaala na ang aming nabuo, mga kulitan at mga away na magbabati rin sa huli. Bawat taon, bagong kaibigan at bagong kinabukasan. Kaya sa huling taon namin dito sa Santa Maria, salamat sa mga alaalang magaganda.
Pabili po ng alaalang masaya, panghimagas ko sa buhay at siyang aking pahinga. Pabili po ng relos kahit wala ng baterya, nang dumungaw lang muli ang nalimutang pahina. Pwede bang pautang muna ng tahol ng aso namin matagal? Tagal ko nang hindi nakakapiling. Pabili po sa tindahan ng mga alaala.